Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to get codes and claim rewards in Monopoly Go. Most of you guys know that there's a real Monopoly Go board game. You need to buy this game and there will be a code, and using this code you can get the rewards in your mobile Monopoly Go game. So how to get this game? You can just simply buy this game using the Amazon. So when you go to Amazon, you need to go to the search and you need to write Monopoly Go board game, and you will see this game. At the moment, they have a nice discount. As you can see, you can buy the game for $10.79. So here is the game. When you buy this game and when you receive it, you will find the Monopoly Go code, and you need to use this code to claim the rewards. Now I'll show you how to use this code. You can go to Google and write this simple keyword Monopoly Go in the Google search, and you need to open the first result, which is monopolygo.com. You need to log into your account using the Facebook or your credentials. And when you log into your account, you need to look at the left menu, and right here you will see reward codes. You need to click on it, and right here you need to enter the code from Monopoly Go board game. So from this board game, and when you enter the code, you need to click the go button and you will receive the rewards in your account. That's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.